Tongthok Phil Sini Chitham Republic Deni Shalo Khwai Hangkorbai Khobja Behlabari Amsayo Lukurogni Kaham Naikolmung Rina Bagai Police Beat House Phiyogwi Rikha Habanok Phiyogwi Rikha Hastini Tiprasa Hamkrai Tangbedek Montri Bg.Mever Jamatia Logeo Manjakha Khwai Hangkorni SP DSP Tai Champahawar PS ni Usi Khoboi Kubuni Adongrok Asolkok sana thangai Bolong Montri Shakha Behlabari Amsaini Lukurokni Sal Kolokmani Samung Tangnani Kaisa permanent outpost asugna bagai oi mang baithang khatabo Bolong Montri taibo Shakha Lukurokni taibo samung tongo o amsayo sablok asugna bagai tamoni hinba Tulasikor blok belaino amsai kotor haini bagai Lukurok Champahawar thanglai sukhainani belaino jongjalok layo hnai Naitongli Tiprasa Times Now.
Today, 26th January 2022, we have inaugurated outposts in Behlabari area. It is long-standing demand. The people of this area demand permanent outposts or PS. As you know, Champahawar PS is very big. They are covering big area, around 23 BC covered by the Champahawar PS. Therefore, the local demand for a long time that they want permanent outposts in Behlabari area. Today we have got, and I really thanks to our Home Department and our Chief Minister Behlabari for his kind concern that to open the beat house in the Behlabari area. Today we have present with me the SP of Khwai district and Sodipoti Khwai district. So I thank them for inaugurating this event, and I hope this Behlabari area, as you all know, this sensitive area bordering to Bangladesh. There are a lot of criminal activities also take place. Last year also there was two persons was killed in the bordering area. So this is a very sensitive area. So thinking that our government has planned to set up permanent outposts in Behlabari area, and hopefully in near future this will be developed. And we have seen also the area very beautiful and very large area we have got. And now slowly this Behlabari outpost will be developed, and we have already got the highway also nearby. And I think this area is very beautiful, and in future our government is planning to do more development in this area. Thank you.